Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a Valentine's Day makeup look. It's the most romantic time of the year again. In today's Valentine's Day look, I'm using all Project Pan products just to show you how easily you can create any kind of seasonal makeup look using the products that you're already wanting to use up, finish, or pan. If you're interested in makeup tutorials and project planning, then please subscribe. And now, let's get started. The star of the show today is going to be this liquid lipstick from Maybelline. This is, of course, it totally wore off because I've been using this for a long time. So this is the Super Stay Matte Ink. And this is in the shade, that's thankfully there, 118 called Dancer. And this is going to be on my face, on my eyes, and also on my lips. So starting off, I'm going to use this as blush, but of course it's really, really red. I can show you the color because I would also need some. So I'm going to putting this on the back of my hand. That obviously is like really, really red, especially for like a blush shade. So what I'm going to do is go into my concealer and create this really cute pinky corally shade. By mixing it together, I just want to see whatever I'm doing. So I need to be mixing up the two shades and then putting that all over my face. And of course, this is what it looks like. And that is going to be our liquid blush. A little closer. There you go. By the way, I'm wearing only, I know I look shiny, but that's basically the foundation. I'm only wearing bronzer and powder on my face and of course base products. So there is no previous blush on my face. Going in with a little bit more. And then also I'm gonna be using this as an eyeshadow base because I wanna have like a pink base tone to my eye makeup. So I'm gonna be putting this on my hand and putting it all over the lid just as well. Yeah, this is the perfect color. And I'm gonna be using this palette, which I am currently panning. Basically, I wanna use it up. So this is of course from L'Oreal. This is the Ombrace. You cannot really tell anymore. And I'm going into that shade and putting that in the crease. A little bit under the eyes. And now I am going to a different palette, which I'm currently panning, which is this Astor one. This is called Eye Artist Gelata in Milano or something. So this is the Eye Artist palette 600 Gelata in Milano. And I kind of want to put that really beautiful pink shade, which I really have to swatch and show you somewhere where I don't have anything else. Look at this shade, how gorgeous. So I kind of want to put it in the outer corner of the eyelid. Okay, and now to make everything really shiny and pinky beautiful, I'm going into the pink shade, which I've already panned, but I still want to like finish this up. So this is this light pearly pink shade. And I'm putting this on the rest of the lid. Going into it with a fluffy brush, it's kind of difficult, but hopefully I will be able to do it. I'm putting this on the lid. Ah, gorgeous. And now to make the inner corners really, really pop, I'm using this eyeshadow stick. This is the one from Trended Up. And I'm putting this in the inner corner, probably not that much, of a pop by putting this color on top of that creamy shadow. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Tiny bit on the brow bone. In the waterline, I'm putting this nude pencil. This is the only nude one that I have. This is the Tropical, what is it called? Pastel Tropics from Lovely. So this is the peachy one, obviously. Let's put this in the waterline. Perfect. Now my eyes look really, really sleepy. So we're gonna open them up by adding some liquid liner, which I don't really do, but I felt like this look really, really needed it. So this is the Matte Signature from L'Oreal. And let me just line my eyes. Though you know what, I'm gonna line them, but first I'm putting on mascara because I just don't like to mix up the two. So mascara first and then lining the eyes. And now the liner. Just a tiny line by the lashes. I'm not going for a cat eye. I never do actually. Yeah, this is just a tiny bit of a definition to the eyes basically. And I'm debating on smoking the look out. I think I'm gonna try just a tiny little bit. So going back, oops. So going back into the L'Oreal palette, and I'm gonna be using the dark shade on a tiny brush, well, kind of like smaller brush. I'm putting this just at the bottom of the corner, basically. And correcting the liner again, but I think that's perfectly enough for a definition. Okay, perfect. So the eyes are now done. Let's go back to the face because I kind of left it off a little bit. So I'm still going back in with more blush, though only a tiny little bit. I'm going into my Trended Up blush. This is number 15. I just feel like this would really go with my outfit somehow. Going in and then defining the cheeks. Look at that. I have a total pink face and I love it. And of course highlighter, I just cannot forego highlighter even though I like the natural shine on my face. So I'm using the Vivid Baked one. So this is the Vivid Baked one from Revolution. And this is called Peach Lights, which just I guess goes with the outfit. And also this is the one in my project pen. This will be finished I think in approximately 18 years. So I'm trying to finish this side because it's more of a dome there. And just highlight it. Look at that. How can you not use highlighter? Seriously. And now to the lips. I'm gonna be lining them with this red one. This is Maybelline X Gigi Hadid. Really old, one of the oldest I think, so this has to go. And thankfully I have only this much left. So I need to be using this up. So I'm lining my lips with this today. And of course going in with the Maybelline liquid lipstick. The perfect red lip. But I kind of want to take it a step further, so I'm adding a lip gloss. This is also in my project pan. This is the Precious Shine from Miss Sporty. Totally rubbed off, but that's it. And the shade is Eternal Ruby. You can probably tell if it would focus. There you go. So I'm putting a shine on top, which is also red. Could probably swatch this for you. It's a gorgeous shade. It's gonna be perfect together. Of course, it goes on my teeth. And now I'm just fixing it with the pupa. Okay, everyone. So this is my Valentine's look using all Project Pan products. So you can totally use your products for versatile functions to create a whole look with them. I hope you liked it. I hope you will try to come up with creative ways to using your makeup this Valentine's Day. And then until the next one, bye bye.